now for Utah's most accurate forecast with Alana Brophy, Weather Rate certified 10 years in a row.
A beautiful spring Utah day out there as we start with our live look from the Wasatch. Love to see that snow on the mountains, but clear skies. Hard pressed to find a cloud out there with that high pressure in control and those temperatures continuing to soar. Now we're bouncing back to average today, and we've already bumped above it in some locations. It's just really nice out there. Plenty of sunshine. The warming trend's going to get a good grip on the Great Basin as we get through the next several days, and there is potential for some record territory. We'll break that down as we kind of get through the forecast here so you know what to expect. It is 70 degrees down there in St. George. Live look from our Dixie Tech camera. Again, beautiful skies, quiet conditions, and numbers soaring. Even there, the upper 60s is where St. George should be this time of year, but we're a little warmer and high pressure taking control, which you see on the satellite. Numbers in Salt Lake in the upper 50s, staying in the 50s with clear skies as we head into the evening. Now we will stay above the freezing point as we bottom out, so a little milder than we've been the last couple of days to start out the day into tomorrow, which should be absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that high pressure is in control, seasonal across the state, but by tomorrow, that westerly flow moves in and it means business. Could throw a few clouds our way, but all in all, we're going to see those numbers really soaring. We're going to jump ahead of average, above it for tomorrow in the north and the south, and very springy by Friday, with temperatures starting to flirt with records as we move into the weekend. The southerly flow ahead of our next storm will also dictate what happens. We do have the chance of above average precipitation as we get through the state in the long range here, so our 6 to 10 day looking promising. That means that we've got wet weather around the corner as we head into next week. Good news, we'll take all the moisture we can get. Upper 60s for tomorrow in Salt Lake. You'll see those upper 60s in Provo, low 60s even in Cache Valley. Overnight lows staying pretty mild. Different case on the eastern side of the state where the basin hits the 20s, just above freezing at Castle Country, and upper 60s for the I-15 corridor. 80s, that's what's on deck for St. George tomorrow. Can you believe that? Find your city, even our mountain valleys, looking absolutely beautiful with those mid-50s, 60s in Tooele. You get into the central portion of the state and you have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Going to be a really nice Thursday for us as you step outside and enjoy it. Upper 60s in the Four Corners and 70s near Kanab. All right, next 7 in Washington County, showing you that warming trend, and then it does come to a halt, folks. We get 80s starting to cool by Sunday. The upslope winds in St. George cool us down, and then the front comes through. We get low 70s and the chance of that wet weather as we head into next week. Here's a look at the Wasatch Front. We're going to see those 60s, 70s, and the potential of an 80 on Saturday in Salt Lake City. Now that would tie the record, so we know that could be the hottest temperature in March for Salt Lake. The chance of wet weather really making its presence known on Tuesday in the north. To stay on top of those changes as that system takes aim at the Beehive State, download the ABC4 weather app. It's really easy to do. You take a picture of this QR code, it takes you right to the App Store. You can download for free. That way we can be there for you.